What's going on, guys? CJ Plays FM here, and welcome back to episode. I guess I said. Well, if you enjoyed the movie, hit like on them. I promise you what, day to day, I'm going to give it to you. So, yeah. So, earlier we played Borderlands, and we'll do a whole load of games to Shelton. That took me quicker than I thought it would have. Well, I would have had recorded this just before England. Luckily, just before I was going to start, and just well, it may have been on a Monday I would have had to do it. But no, I could do it on a Sunday, and we may forget to upload day tomorrow. Before Tuesday, we get into it with the big game. And oh, it's Charlton. Oh, this is gonna be funny. Purrington, Osaja, plays it to Phillips. Oh, the parrot's there, and he squawked it in. Anyway, well, so yeah. So yeah, I can't believe it. Oh, FM, I love you. 72 points. Look at that. We actually could get playoffs today, I feel. That is also a joke. I know we can't get the playoffs. We could soon. We do get the playoffs. That helps a little. It does mean I have to push back the taking over North save. But it's good because it means more content to record. Melon, Cash, who I became Burner. That's Cash, Troy Parrott, and he squawked it in again. It's his 10th goal of the season. Busquets done well. We've had strikers that can score. Goals, goals, goals. That's what I like. Ribeiro, Sims, Ribeiro, Miller. Oh, Clark's has it. Now, Morgan's through. Hits the post that Courtney House clears it. We should be 3-0 up. No, against Charlton, but I had to. I wanted to do a nice game. I had a feeling it would have been this one or the game after that we could have sealed probably playoffs, which was the plan. I think we may do Wigan next episode, like I said, or the game. Hurricane makes it free, and it's 15 minutes in. Oh, this could get messy. I'm doing the maths. 59 points, 72. 3 games, 9 games to go. That's a possible 27. So we can get 99 points currently. No, so we're on 72 now because we just won. Yeah. 99 points, which will be really good. Quite high and quite a lot. So we could have a title fight. That is probably the aim. Like, we played attacking football, good football. Built their team around some players. I brought in some signings that one. I think Hurricane's been really good. I think we've molded this team perfectly around him. I'm bringing in youngsters like Matikash and Malo. Right. You've been calm. I should say. There we go. He's like, yeah. Look at the parrot. He's like, no, I understand parrot. And I was, yeah, I can do this. I'm really good. I've been really good today. I'm gonna go for a hat trick. I just don't want complacency to hit. That's my only issue with this team. It's consistently getting complacent. It's not nice. Oh. Phillips. They're just doing hoofball. It's all hoof it up. Yeah. Albie Morgan scored. We're only 3-1 up now. Just tidy up. And that's all I'm saying. Tighten up. That's the main thing here. Clark, ball in. That's gone over, and it's a corner. It's a goal kick. Right, 67th minute. I'm going to keep Parrot on. Bring Mighton on. Alex Mighton on. Maybe Jenkinson. Yeah, we'll bring Cole Jenkinson on. It's like one of those, you're like, seriously, bringing on Cole Jenkinson? That how he's been decent. I know it's Cole Jenkinson, but still. He's a bit better than Sam Bulldog. Not Sam, George Bulldog last season. Look at that. 3-0 to Brentford. We've had a really good season. I think Bournemouth are losing. Yeah. Or drawing. It's one of the two. This second half's just been, yeah, look at us. Passing, all that stuff. It's like, really. Singing, no, I think we'll do a mid-season update, I guess. Just give this video some more minutes. I'm not going to record it for another. It's like, each game takes like about 7 minutes, and then I've got like some stuff for talking to do after. It's one of those things like you wish you had something. Miller House. It's the end of game highlight. All over top. Alex Whiting. We might as well whip it in, score. Nah. There you go, full time. I'm just gonna say. And there we go. That'll do. I think if I'm right, we can get promotion soon. Probably we may have to do a double upload it tomorrow. Will Wigan be in the last game, if anything? That's a think on it. It's really good season. I think my plans for after this season's finished is this is going to be my stream save, I think, on Twitch on a Monday and a Friday. Fridays will be about 12ish, but not the Friday coming up. That's will be the Friday after. We'll start on the Monday after tomorrow, I think. Because I've enjoyed it, and I think it'll be a nice stream save for us in the Prem. And I guess reviving Forest. So yeah. Probably Parrot. The parrot squawked, and he squawked no more. Hopefully I can sort out. One thing that has annoyed me is that I can't do this code of conduct. Now I'm not sure if that's a bug. I haven't reported it in. I've just joined the thing and I can't do the code of conduct and not got an email through. I'm not sure if it's like after. Yeah, no, it's not just because I missed season. So it's just the code of conduct. Like I think I think always a suspension should be a fine. So yeah, don't. What happened to Bournemouth? Bournemouth lost 1-0 to Bristol. Yes, Bristol. See, I could do a really tough game. Look at that. Good month there. Very decent month-ish. Not really decent, but still okay. Beat Bournemouth 1-0. That was a good one. Yeah, solid. Shouldn't have lost that game. Hit a bit of patchy form here. Got a record in that one. We were just disappointed on the day. Annoying in that one, but a nice 3-1 win actually. That one is. What do you think about it? That's a good win. That's annoying. This one with a bit of patchy form here. These two games. Sheffield United. It was okay. Shrewsbury, Colton, Barnsley. We could do Wednesday. Oh, wait, hold on. I feel like we may do Derby because no, we won't. Could you? I think it'll be around this time here. Three, these 4 games where we could get promotion. Maybe after, so we'll just do Wigan end of season party. But we'll do one of these games maybe, and then Wigan last game, or we'll just do if we're promoted or champions. I think that's what the plan is for that season. I think, yeah. I want to look at competitions quickly just before this video ends. I want to look at that top off. We reached both of those. I want to look at something stages last season. They got 69 points, so it's roughly 86 you'll need to. That's surprising. 69, 21 wins. So we've drawn an extra game, 3 games, but lost a hell of a lot less. 12 less defeats this season. So we've sorted it up at the back. And attacking wise, we've done well. Like, cracking wins there, 3-0. A few nervies. This time, we've done really well. Another thing is, that's the aim. Euro Cup 2. I think it used to be called the something Cup. I know Newcastle won it that year. If I'm right. The Intertoto Cup. I think that's what it's called. And now they've got that one again. If I just go to history and go competitions. Hopefully that's right. I'm praying. After it hasn't crashed because I haven't really saved it. There we go. Yeah, the Euro Cup we won 1969. I think that's something like that. It was something cool like that. Yeah, it was something like that. Anyway, if you have enjoyed this episode, hit the thumbs up. And let's all watch Ian Wright scream, I'm a slow to get me out of here. Let's go. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.